Hello guys, welcome to the stream. It's day 14 and we are building up of data AI, okay? And we have achieved quite a lot in these 14 days, right? So building up of data AI basically, so which is like a data modeling tool for data engineers as well as, any kind of data modelers who are actually trying to build a data model from scratch, okay? So we have created a lot of things within the off data AI product, and now we have some default templates as well available within our product, which users can use directly to build up their data models on top of it. Okay, so which covers a lot of use cases. Okay, so like if you will go through a lot all of these use cases, you will find quite a lot of things which can be directly implemented by the industry. Okay, so from my experience into the data engineering world as well as data science, right? So I know what kind of use cases are being implemented in the industry for analytics purpose or like any kind of building up of data warehouses. Okay, so we have implemented quite a lot of things. Like we also cover SAP kind of use cases as well, where people are trying to migrate data from SAP to their data warehouses and do some analytics on top of it. Okay, so like take an example of this, like data vault raw vault for SAP ERP core hubs, right, where you are building up like a data warehouse on top of your materials, customers, vendor and company sales document, purchase documents, right, where you want to actually build up a data model for it. Okay, and then present that into your data warehouse itself. So you can directly go ahead and use the template of this data model and then start building on top of it. Okay, so you don't need to worry about like thinking how should you implement and what kind of tables you need to take care of. Okay, so that can actually cover all the things in details over here. Okay, so we support like three kind of warehousing techniques, or you can say modeling styles. One is like 3NF, and then other is Kimball, and third one is data vault. Okay, so where you talk about hubs, links and satellites. Okay, which is like a pretty modern way of bringing up your data warehouse these days. Okay, so you can use any kind of a modeling technique and then you can start building on top of it. You have like an agentic way, right, of building up or making changes to the data model, so you don't need to drag and drop things like that. Think of it, provide it in a natural language to the agent, and agent will start working on your data model itself. Okay, so it's like that. So a lot of templates are there for you to use. Okay, so if you are into life sciences or something like that, you can use directly the clinical trials and all that data model as well, pre-built for you. Okay, so you don't need to worry about anything. So just go and use template and then you're done with it. Just like this, you just create template and you have all those ERDs already created for you. Okay, you have the DDLs created for you, you have the seed data also created for you, so that you are not just loading an empty data warehouse. Okay, you have already a DBT project structure already created for you. So a lot of things are already there created for you, like all the documentation itself. Okay, on which you can actually discuss and have sign-offs from different data, like the teams inside your organization, like data architect, domain owner, governance, privacy, engineering lead, right? So you can have a discussion on top of it. So this is your assistant, right? If you want to make any changes to your data model, you can come here, talk to the assistant, and assistant will start making changes to it. You have the governance in place as well, right, which talks about what all columns are, which you want to do masking on top of it, right, PI and everything, right? Automatically this is given to you. So migrations, if you want to do any pushing publish to your GitHub repository. Okay, once you connect your in the settings integrations, you connect your GitHub accounts, or or Bitbucket account or any kind of other accounts, right, source repositories, so you can push everything directly to there, so that everything can be managed properly, right? And then you have this share capability as well, right? So share is like if you want to bring more and more people to comment on it or to work on it, right, on this data model, right, or you want to share it externally with the people to look at it, so you can do that. Then you can also have discussions on top of the data model, right? Suppose you are building a data model and you want to have now discussion with the team, So the team can comment on this data model. You can also provide like your discussions on top of the interview that you actually did, okay, in order to achieve this data model. So right now this is a template, right? So you won't be doing any interview. So once you go through the process of giving interview and then creating a custom tailored uh, I'll say data model for yourself. So then over here you will also get the interview transcript and then you can see. Okay. So let me show you an example of this. So this was the one that we created by giving an interview. Okay. So let me go to the generated asset. So if you see over here, so if you go to discussion, so you will see the interview transcript as well. Okay. So like what was the interview, what answers were given according to which the data model was created. So now you can actually do a discussion on top of it as well. Okay, and then editorials you can also publish. Okay, generate from interview and then write editorial. So I'm still working on few of the features. So once these are done, so we'll be having a full-fledged, you know, I'll say a data modeling tool for you. Okay, so you see over here, so it's already creating a complete editorial for you as well. Okay, summary of insurance analytics, data model discovery. A lot of things are there. Okay, so this is just like a editorial for you. Okay, so it's a great product for you to use within your organizations where you are like a data heavy company, right? And you can create a lot of things over here. Okay, so for sure there are few issues. I'll just work on these today as well. We will try to build more and more things in this, and our target today is to publish at least the website for of data AI. Okay, so that we will do today. So let's not delay more and let's get started, guys. But before that, make sure to hit like and subscribe for the channel Tech with Sachin A, where I will bring more and more things related to vibe coding, data engineering, data science, and a lot of other things as well. Okay, and also don't forget to hit or press the bell icon so that whenever I come on the live streams, you guys get notified about that. Okay, so let's not delay more and let's get started. Okay, let's first resolve these two issues itself only. Let me just copy this. Okay, let me just open Claude. Okay, let's start working on this. Sorry. Just a minute, let me just close this one, let me open a new one. Okay, now Claude is here. Okay, so now let me just paste the error. Claude will work on this. Also, okay, I want this to be looking little professional editorials. Okay, so that I'll also do. Okay, let's do that as well. Okay, so let me start one more tab for Claude. Okay, just let it run, and let me also start Whisper as well. Whisper flow. Basically I use Whisper for instead of typing I can just say my thoughts and it will start putting up here. Okay, can you improve the editorial part where I generate the editorial from the AI interview? Okay, so when I click on the editorial generation and the editorial gets generated, it's not looking pretty good, right? So can you render it properly so that it looks pretty professional? Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so this is fine. I guess the issue has been resolved for this. Interviewer interviews. Also I would like to improve this part, so it should show like interviewer like this and then bubble, like it should show like a complete chat that has happened between the interviewer as well as the the person who has actually given the interview. So I want it to look it like that. Okay, so I'll make changes to that as well. Okay, so just give me a minute, guys. I'm just checking something. Yeah. Okay, let's do that as well. Okay. Can you improve the interview transcript section as well? So right now it just shows like interviewer and then the response, then interview, then the response. It should show like a chat has been happened between the two. Like the way of representation should be like that. Okay, so let it run. Okay, my weekly limit has been hit for Whisper Flow. That means I'm using quite a lot of AI these days. Okay, let it run. Then we will see. Also, I'll include more and more use cases in this. Like SAP is a very hot major topic. Where people are actually migrating the data from SAP to their warehouses. In order to do analytics. Okay. So similarly for Salesforce as well. So that can also be a great use case for people to start. Okay. So let me also include few of the examples from Salesforce as well. Okay. So let's start one more terminal. Okay, Claude. Okay. So in the template section, we have a lot of templates now, but I want to include few more templates where clients would be migrating their data from Salesforce tables to their warehouses, right? Think of use cases, try to understand from the market, do some research on top of internet, and look into the best practices of creating data models in terms of Salesforce and all that part, where actual clients and enterprise clients are creating their data models for the niche kind of users. Try to generate templates for that as well. Okay, so this is also a very great use case for us, right? Where people are using and creating Salesforce kind of data models. Okay, so our main target is to provide users with like a base capacity where they can actually use that to create the data models or build data models on top of it, or if anyhow they want to start it from scratch, they can do that as well. Okay, we also give them like the capability to create their knowledge bases as well, right? So they can actually put documents from their uh, what I'll say from their SharePoints or any kind of PDFs which contain like business domain knowledge, right? So they can upload, which agents will actually use at the background to create the data models. Okay, so we have thought a lot about this product and then we have built basically this. Okay, also one more thing, in the template section it should show like if I go, it should show a little bit more detail, okay, about the data model. That is what I want. Okay, so it should be like use template and show details. Okay, like that. I'll improve this. Okay, just allow and just allow all edits. Okay, let me also see my limit usage for Claude today, because yesterday we got exhausted with the limit. Okay, settings. Also, I'm like guys planning to create up a video for like we were discussing yesterday, emergent versus replit base 44. We'll be creating a video for that as well. Okay. Usage. Okay, it's quite a lot for today, so I guess we should be good for today, guys. Let me little bit set my camera so that I'm visible properly. Okay. Okay, this is working. And let me do the yes and no task again. Okay, what was this about? Okay, editorial section, right? So let me just check it out how it looks like now. Knowledge projects, insurance. Not for this, basically. I generated something for different thing, right? Okay, this is the one. Yeah, now it looks good. It looks fine, right? Otherwise, it was just looking haphazard over here and there. Okay. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. Good enough. Right? Show transcript. Yes, this is how I wanted, right? So now it looks like there was a chat between person and the interviewer, right? So it looks pretty neat and decent enough. Yeah, this looks good. Okay. So this is fine. Okay, this is fine. This is fine. This one is still working for the Salesforce. Okay. I want to have more and more use cases for SAP. Okay. So let me start for that as well. Okay, for HubSpot as well, we will also cover that. Okay, people are also very much interested in creating data models on HubSpot, custom data models, right? If they are anyhow utilizing HubSpot, so we need to cover such kind of scenarios or use cases which are pretty hot in the market. Okay, so we'll cover that. Okay, so let me think. Yeah. Can you think of more use cases for SAP building of like data warehouses into different, whatever we are supporting? Try to research more and bring out all those which we have not included till now. Similar ways you need to do research internet, research all the websites where you can research about what kind of data models have built for enterprises, right? For SAP specifically, I want to cover very niche kind of things where people have built up data models for their reporting purposes, right? So research a lot, think about it, and start building up the more templates for that. Yeah, this is good enough. So let it work for this. Yes. Okay, it will start thinking of data models. Okay, also today I'll push some code as well to the repository because it's like 249 files have been changed and I haven't pushed the code yet. Okay, so I'll do that as well. Okay, suppose these changes, I'll try to push code first and then we will move ahead. Okay, so let this run. Okay, till the time we'll also improve this section where we were talking about, right? On the template section only, show details, show detail. Okay, so it should once I click on show detail, it should open like a model itself in which I get detailed things about what the model is all about, data model. So for the data model template, so there is one button which actually helps to use template. So there should be one more button for each and every use case which should be like show details. So when I click on show details, it should tell in very much detail how and what this data model is all about, how this data model would be helping the organization, and what kind of analytics can be built on top of this particular data model. Okay, so give some use cases about that as well, so that people, if they are using this template, so they should know about like what kind of analytics they can think of building on top of this. If anyhow they don't have anything in mind, so they get some kind of a baseline for that. Okay, so this is also good enough. So basically my objective is to provide as much as information to the users who are coming and paying for this product, right? So they don't need to do any kind of research for that, so already that is present for them in the tool, right? So that's why someone will pay for it, right? Otherwise you can just go to cloud and do everything yourself. So we are providing all our knowledge, all our use cases directly to them, so they can just research over here and then try to start using it directly. Okay, so that's what we need actually. This is good enough. So guys, I'll be just back. I'll bring some water. Okay, so also let me start building up the website. Okay, create a build for the website at least, so that basically I can put the website today. Okay, yeah, let's start one more cloud. Okay. Can you generate the build of the website part so that I can actually put that on my hosting? Okay, so generate the build files and I'll just upload the build files to the host engineer upload like the FTP location. I'll upload every files on that. But before uploading that, just update the website with all the new features whatever we have generated, right? Like also showcase that we have already templates as well within our system, so that people can directly use those, and whatever features should be represented on the website. Okay, so put everything on that so that people try to buy this product and product becomes pretty catchy for them. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, yes, allow all. Yes. Yes. Yes, I want to proceed. Also, one more thing I need to improve is like I improved the login form itself for the clerk. Okay, so now you don't get like a development environment showing over there. So if I show you here, so now it's a off data AI form that we have created. Okay, so if you go to sign up, so you have this sign up page as well. Okay, so you just go to sign in, then you have this continue Google, continue with LinkedIn. Okay, so you can use this. Also, I want to give the opportunity to people so that they can actually publish that on LinkedIn as well, right? So they have generated this data model on top of data AI, right? They can promote the product as well in that way. And then once like we saw that, right, we can generate a link, shareable link, so people can just see that link and view what kind of data model has been generated, right? And it can just redirect them to the off data AI page, right? So something like that, they can share it on LinkedIn. Okay, so yeah, that's how I'm planning to do it. Okay, so we have improved this. So like if I go inside the product now, so right, so you see over here I need to improve because it still shows development mode here. Okay, so that I don't want. Okay, Here also I don't want this to be development mode. Okay, that also I will improve. Okay, this is ready. 3NF. Okay, for this there was no interview at all, right? So you don't need to worry about it. Generated assets. Directly you get the generated assets itself. Okay. So you see, it's showing how the things are connected to each other. You have a pre-built data model now, right? You don't need to worry about anything. This is a great way. It's like you don't need to worry about building data models now. You just start with a baseline and start building on top of it. Correct? And even my plan would be further bring down more and more, data modelers on this tool, so that they can buy and sell data models directly, okay, to the people. Great way. Okay, this is fine. Also, I believe now the synthesis piece will have to be removed, right? Anyhow, when agent is making any changes, that will suffice all that part. So I'll think about it, okay, and then try to remove the resynthesize part directly, okay, because I want it to be pretty agentic itself, okay. This product should be pretty much agentic in its own way, where people don't actually press buttons. They either talk to the data models or they type it, okay, because I'll be giving a feature where they can actually talk within the, like, they can just click over here and talk to the data model directly, and then they can put the text out, just like we are doing right now for Claude, right, using Whisper. So we have Cartesia startup backing, right? So we can utilize their uh, APIs, I can say, right? And then we can use that within our product right now, okay? So where we give like speech capabilities as well in this. So like step by step we will create all those things, okay? Okay, so yes, yes. So whosoever is joining the stream, guys, welcome to the stream. Please comment in the chat box where you are joining from. Okay, I would love to know about you guys. And if you have anything to ask, you can for sure go ahead and put it in the comment box. I'll try to answer that. Also, let me do one thing. Let me pin down my Discord channel link where you can actually join and we can have a lot of detailed chat as well. Okay. Okay, hidden copy. Okay, I've just copied my invite link for Discord. So let me paste that and let me pin this. Okay, so you can join it. Pin message. Yep. Okay. Okay, I need two decisions. Okay, plain FTP can't run the next server. Okay, clerk auth or your Python backend. So your plan actually runs static FTP only. Yeah, this is a static FTP. Just going to run the full next tab there. Okay, right now I don't have that kind of hosting for this. So Stinger, if I see here, right, so if you go to the websites piece, or I'll say though I have the VPS, okay, so I'm just thinking how should I proceed ahead with this, because otherwise I'll have to set up a lot of things, right? What is this? Sure, let me delete this. Okay. Hmm. I'm just thinking of hosting, right? So there is this Node.js, reply or Node.js, right? So add a website. Okay, this is still like I can't. This is not included in my hosting plan. Let me try to add it. Let's see how much does this cost. If I click on upgrade, it's 249 per month, right? I already have business hosting, right? Mm, I'm just thinking about it. Okay, I'm a cloud startup anyhow. So, what should we do, guys? I'm just thinking about it. Okay. Because anyhow, right now I have the VPS hosting, right? So, but if I host this on VPS, right? So then I'll have to manage first the Nginx, right, and then point the A record to that, and then get the basically just for hosting the website itself. Also, I'll have to do a lot of steps. Okay, so I'm just thinking to avoid those steps, and that's why I'm just thinking how should we go ahead. Okay, so it's static FTP only. Okay, and then how should we for the marketing side CTA sign in user template, where should they send users? Okay, sign in start free, use a template. Okay, yeah, I'm thinking of CTS point to separate subdomain, correct? Full next app plus backend will be hosted, correct? That is how I am thinking, right? I just want to break down, right? The website should be a different piece and the product should be a different piece. But let's see. Okay, let's think of it. How it should go ahead. Yes. So why does Claude ask multiple times these days? Once I click yes. Okay, let's think about it. How we want to host this solution. Okay. Let's check LinkedIn little bit, guys. Okay. So this is fine, 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 fine. Okay, this is good. Let's close this. Oh, sorry, I was just typing something else. YouTube. Right. Okay. Let's close this for now. We have projects. Click on yes, yes, yes. Then this is done, right? For the Salesforce also, has it done? Okay, and suffer to get okay. No front end or migration change. Okay, 5 trans DBT Salesforce. Okay. Salesforce object semantics, right? Correct. This is fine for other. Yep, just go ahead, whatever feels the best, and there should be not be an overlap between the data models. Yeah, that is fine. Yes. Okay, this looks fine. This looks fine. Okay, what is it all about? Let's see. Okay, let me just press yes, 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 and then yes. Yes, yes. It becomes pretty boring, guys, like this. Like we have to press yes every time. But yeah, that's like a check, right? But Claude is not doing something suspicious. So you can stop it, right? Wherever you feel like it's not doing correct things. So yes, yes. Okay. So only thing right now I can see is like the PII data as well. I need to cover that in much more detail. Okay, show details. Okay, this is nice. Why is it showing like this? Like a model still loading over here. Transition grain fact. Okay, I guess it's still loading the data. Oh, nice, 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 nice. It's constructed using a Kimball star schema. Right. Nice. Holistic customer. This is what people want to buy, right? This is the information people would love to see, right? This is what people will love to see. Great, great, great. Amazing, amazing. I would for sure pay for this tool, right? Like if I'm getting all this information directly for me, right? It's I guess generating right now. That's why it's taking some time. Okay. Got it. Okay, what are structural details? Okay, helps or analytics you can build. Yes, this is great. Yeah, this is what I needed actually. Amazing, amazing. This is what people would like to see, right? So just creating a data model won't help, right, people? So that can for sure be done, but the information that we are providing to the users, right, with the templates itself, so that is the main crux of this product, right? So we are giving them a lot of things pre-built for them. Okay. Amazing, amazing, amazing. This is just amazing, guys. Wow, amazing. I'm just loving this. Also, like we can put up something like domain as well, for which this particular industry or domain this data model belongs. Okay, like tags for that, so that I can then give a filtering options. Okay, over here. So let's all let we will do a little bit more on the research on the industries as well, so that we can build more and more industry specific data models as well. Okay. Okay, there is what is it? Insights load with the skeletons are cached in process per slab. Okay, so repeat opens are immediate if okay, it's generating using this, right? So instead of that, can you just store it? Okay, now caching insights live in the process memory, so they generate after each deploy restart. Okay. Yeah, I want this to be. I can add a small link. Yeah, that's correct. I want all the details to be cached for each and every data model that we have created in the templates, right? So I don't want that to be generated on the runtime because that will actually take some time. Okay, so just generate it automatically and store that into DB. Okay, and whenever a new data model is also created or a template is being put, automatically on the creation itself, just store everything in the DB. Okay, this is guys. This if this product is like going into the hands of data modelers, right? It can do wonders. Exactly, it can do a lot of wonders. Okay. Okay. Guys, there is one thing I see on YouTube. I'm not sure why there is no like not a single watching coming for my streams. I'm not sure what could be the issue. Maybe I'm still not that popular. That would be the one case. But I don't think my stream is that bad. Guys, I'm not sure how the things work on YouTube. Is it because like location is United States? Okay, let me do it to India. Let's see. I'll move it to India. But I'm not sure because of that it would be not bringing my stream somewhere. Okay, in the broadcasting. So I'm not sure. Okay, let's ask Claude itself. Okay, let's see why the stream is not showing. Not at all. Like it's like zero concurrent viewers right now. Okay, and I've been seeing this for quite 2-3 days now. Because earlier I used to see few people, right? 3 to 4 people used to show in the concurrent viewers. So I'm not sure exactly what is happening. I don't see any concurrent viewers in my daily stream. What could be the issue? Okay, so let's see. Okay, stream is set to private unlisted. No, that this is a public stream. I don't think so. This is like a private stream because if I go to YouTube, okay, and if I go live later, streaming software, this is a public stream, right? Yeah, this is a public stream. What is this? Yeah, the stream is public only. So I'm not sure what exactly the issue is. Article prompt version. I'll have to check that out. Why that's happening, okay? But yeah, anyhow, let me see. Okay, and what could be the stream key mismatch? No, this is fine. Going out, yeah, so it didn't get ping. Stream not appearing in searching, but yes, algorithm poll start. Not set. No, that is also set. Category tags also are also present. Analytics lag. Okay, your own view usually doesn't count, right? If using OBS, check the dashboard on the platform. Yeah, I'm checking on the platform itself. So I'm basically doing daily streaming, right, guys? I'm not missing anything. So long gap is also not. Deprioritize the channel. Engagement drop. Okay, which platform are you streaming? I'm streaming on YouTube. Right, so I'm not sure what could be the issue. What could be the issue, guys? Let's see. Yeah, made. It's not made for kids for sure. I'm not making it for kids. Link shared. If you schedule the stream, the watch will exist before going live. Okay, channel doesn't meet live streaming. No, this is everything is going fine. So we are now 87 subs, right? So it's more than 50 notification. YouTube only sends. And only the 2 subscribers with the bell on, right? So that is also maybe the issue. Latency, no. Yeah. Yeah, like streaming is fine. Maybe it's like, still YouTube is not prioritizing my stream in their algorithm, right? So that could be the issue because in the connection it's showing excellent, right? Everything is going excellent only. Right? So that could be the issue, maybe, right? So you see guys, I don't have any subscriber right now watching my stream. Pretty bad for me right now, right? Okay, let's ask Claude only. Okay, how can I make my stream? I make my YouTube stream come into their algo so that YouTube broadcasts it, right? YouTube casts it. Okay. Schedule the stream, okay, in advance with the proper title. Okay, this is good. This gives YouTube time to index it and serve it, okay. So I'm just looking at the ways, right? So then add tags, okay. This I'm already doing. Promote before going live, okay. If you start with two people that already prioritizes you. Okay. Push the stream link on LinkedIn, WhatsApp, okay, Discord, Instagram stories. Okay, so that means you have to promote first yourself only, then only it will actually prioritize your stream. Okay, concurrent viewers rising in the first 10 minutes. Okay, average view duration, people staying is huge. Okay, chat activity, like shares. Okay, click through the rate on the thumbnail. Okay, stream consistency. Okay, so this is being most people YouTube rewards, but if you stream every Tuesday at 8 p.m. for 8 weeks straight. Okay, technical stream. Okay, I am streaming at properly, right? So my is going pretty good. Okay, so I'm actually doing it at 30 fps, not even 60. Based on what actually happened, add chapters. Okay, treat the VOD as a separate video. Okay, it will keep earning views for weeks if the SEO is right. Okay. Okay, we will see how we can actually improve the streams. Okay. Yeah, we were on this. Yeah, let's go. Yes. A lot of more data models have been added now for I'll say for Salesforce as well, right? So we have added like quite a lot of models for this. Okay, this is still working. It's still running the static build now. I'm just trying to create the website today. At least we have a website running, and then tomorrow we'll put the tool as well. Okay. But first I'll try to promote the website itself. Okay, so that I create that kind of anxiousness between the people. Okay, amongst the people basically, so that they are actually excited to use the tool. So like that I'll do it. Yeah, marketing web analytics. Yes. Also remove the Salesforce specific language that is blurring. Okay. Yeah. Can we also include data models for HubSpot as well as any kind of web analytics and marketing and all that stuff as well? So just create data models for that as well. Okay. So it's a similar way. Just do research, build up data models. Okay, like for Google Analytics and all that stuff. People do a lot of this stuff. Okay, where they are bringing data from Google Analytics and all that stuff, and then merging that into a single data model like Facebook and all that part analytics, right? So think of in depth into the marketing side as well. This can be also a good use case, right? So I have worked on one of the for one of the clients, right? So where we had created a complete data model where they were bringing their data from various data sources, right? Putting that into a single model. That was majorly for the marketing piece. Okay, they wanted to calculate ROAS and everything, right? So this can be a good data model for them. Yeah, just go ahead and follow up on the remaining batch as well. So follow the same steps, create as much as data models as can be created. Okay, this is good enough, good enough, and this is static build is getting created. Let's see. Yes. Okay, so yes, yes. After this, we'll be covering a lot of use cases in this. So this can become like a whole repository itself in itself, right? We can itself sell data models like that to people, right? Okay, whatever content is there, we will see live. Oh, guys, this is like some copyright issues. Let me remove them. Save. I acknowledge, confirm changes, right? So, this is how I am removing all the copyrights. So I'm almost streaming like continuously for 14 days now. Like on weekends I don't stream that much, but on daily basis I have been streaming quite a lot now. Recently I started that, right? So let's see how the journey goes. Okay, yes. I believe it should be able to at least produce website today. Let's see. Okay, it's fine. Let's check localhost. Okay, let's just go to the website itself. Let me just log out. Let's see what has it added over here for now. This is fine. This is good. Chat driven, every relationship, platform, SQL, staging marts, model. Start from a warehouse, right? Start, data vault, healthcare analytics, right. Okay. I just want to go to 3000. Where is that? Yeah, healthcare, CRM, data vault, SAP, S4HANA, Universal General. Yes, I want to cover all this stuff, right? Also, I want to remove this line. Is there any free tier? No, there is not a free tier. But if you are the first 10 customers, you can reach out to me and you can get the free tier completely free for lifetime for this tool. Okay, nothing. All changes are in your. Okay, your static build is ready. So we have a static marketing site, okay, with https and build it anytime with, okay. Load content, okay, your static marketing site is in app web out, okay. Where is it? Exactly, app web, and there is one out folder it's saying. Okay, here it is, I believe this is the one. Apps. This is different. Out. Web. Yeah, this is the folder. Out. Yeah, this is the correct one. Okay, browse template. Get free browse templates. Yeah, this is. I don't want to do it for now. Okay, let me also create a host changer one, app.offdata.ai.com, right? One domain websites basically. Add website app.offdataai.com, right? Custom app.offdataai.com, right? So I want to create this. Next. Okay, so this will actually point users to this. So the platform would be lying on this, but the main website would be on offdata.ai, right? So like that. Okay. So if I go to sign in, so this won't work for now because there is no sign in. For now, I'll just put like a coming soon page, okay, on app.offdata.ai. Let it run. Okay. So let's do one thing. Let's upload on offdata.ai. We'll see how the website looks. Okay. So let's go to home, websites, offdata.ai, dashboard, and then we have file manager. Okay. So I'll just upload the website at least. We will see public.html. Let me remove this file. Skip trash bin, yes. Let me upload folders first. Okay, so it's on desktop of data AI, apps, web, and then out, right? Okay, let me upload this directly here only, and then I'll move everything out of it into public HTML. Okay, so let me just select everything and I'll move everything to out.html, right? Oh my god, it's a lot of files, guys. Way too much files. Okay. After that we will just remove the out folder, okay? Let's move to public.html itself, right? Move. Yeah, this is fine. So let me delete the out folder. Okay, so this I don't need now. Delete. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, so now let's open offdata.ai. Okay, I hope it should work now. dataai.com. Okay, great success. We are good. Let's check the full website. Okay. Yes, it's working fine. So it's still page does not exist. So I'll just put everything like still put your email IDs and like that. Okay. Create a page, insurance, spanning, many more. Use the template free. Still, we'll just go browse all 136. Okay. More. Yeah. One thing I just wanted to change in this website, is there any free tier, right? So let me change that as well. Can we make changes to, like, on the website there is a section in the blog, right? Is there any free tier? So we don't have any free tier for it. Change that, and but put like if you want a free subscription on this, connect with the admins of the tool so that they can provide you coupon code for it. And for the first 10 customers, we are offering it like completely free for now. Also making those changes, post that, again build the whole website so that I'll again put it on the hostinger FTP. Okay, so I will put it again after this. So at least, yes, today we have achieved and published the off data AI website, right? So that is a great achievement for us for today. Like the things which we were visualizing, right, for quite a long time. So today we have at least achieved that. So now we'll start, putting up to people, like if they want to access the tool, so they can actually let me know. So I'll pass them the actual link to the product itself. Okay, so like that. Yes. Oh my god, I have also utilized 95% of limit. Guys, I am utilizing Cloud at to the max. Hmm. Okay, this is working. Website is looking good actually of data AI, right? So it's looking good enough. Okay, so we are at least live with the website. So also I want to change this favicon as well. So let me do that before uploading it. Okay, so I'll just do that. Okay. Yes. 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 Come on, chat. Comment into the comment section. Where are you guys joining from? So that I would love to know about all of you guys. Okay. Yes. This one is done. I guess I can close this because I am just getting confused in this. Okay, this is out also, yeah. Also, can you put up the favicon for the website as well, like in the Chrome, like whenever I open the website in the above, top bar. So the favicon is coming for the Next.js. I want that for off data. I look into the repository. I have that particular favicon file as well, and put that over there. Okay. So last thing is for that, so that after that we'll have a website today to be published, okay, and then we'll publish it to LinkedIn as well. Of data AI. So this looks pretty amazing. Like if this product goes into hands of actual data modelers, they can do wonders with it. Oh shit, I clicked on no. Continue. So I would like to run again the SEO on the website so that it can cover all the things again, okay? So whatever like SAP things, Salesforce things, right? That we have put, so that can be put up. Platforms, blogs, everything is there, right? Read post, yes, this is fine. Platforms, did yes, 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 yes. Oh my god, at this time only it had to close. Shit, shit. This is bad, guys. This is bad. This exhausted my limit right now. Damn. Let's see after how much time. Maybe it might be. Oh god, it will be after 1 hour 21 minutes. Anyhow, guys, today we have achieved the final website, at least for Off Data AI, right? That deserves a lot of appreciation for us, chat. Like for past 14 days, we were actually building this stuff, and now we can actually see that happening, right? So kudos to everyone who has joined in this journey till date, right? So all those 87 subs, right? So but we will be actually also, productionizing this and publishing the more like the whole product itself and try to get some customers on it, right? So great going, guys. Persistence and patience is the key. Let's go. Now my limit has been done. Okay, at least we have the website, so only few changes are left. So I'll once I have the limit back, I'll try to make those changes and again publish the website. But till time we have the website, right? So this is done. But when I click on sign in, so it takes me to the page. Okay, let me just improve this part for now. Let me just create up a page on that upcoming. Okay, all websites, dashboard. Okay. Okay, let me just create up a single page only, right, for now. Website details. If there is any option to let create a website. No or not, I'm not sure. Website app.offdata.ai. Okay, let me delete this and I'll just create it again. Okay, let's create it. Done. Okay, let it remove. I'll just create a page using Hostinger's AI part, right? And put a logo for Offdata AI. Okay, add website, Hostinger website builder. Okay, we'll use that. Okay, create a one pager website. No, this is not a one. Okay, I need to create a coming soon page for my website of data AI, right? So the platform would be open soon, and for that I need a page, right? I need a page. Okay, so let's see how it creates it. Okay, let me also open my LinkedIn as well so that I'll publish it. Okay. Okay. Coming soon of Data AI. Why has it put this idea? Oh my god. Why at all? Why at all it has put this page? My god. Mm. Hmm. This page is worst. I'm not liking it at all. Okay. Damn. Pretty bad. Pretty bad. It's still asking me to rate this website. Stinger, you need to for sure improve your AI models. Okay, let me just delete this. Okay, let me add a use AI to build websites. Yes, I guess I need to use this one or Stinger Horizons. Yes, I used the wrong one maybe. Okay, and which is my icon.png, right? Sorry, I'll just put the logo. Where is the logo for our website? We are inside the out folder, maybe that's why it's not showing for. Where is the images? Maybe, yeah, this is the logo. Original, right? This is the one, I guess, yeah. This is the logo for my website. I need to build a coming soon page for it. Okay, let's see how Horizon performs. Maybe, I guess this should perform pretty better, right? So for sure I feel that. because this is a newer version of creating the website. So it's let's see. Okay. This is still, I guess this is better than the previous one. I'm for sure, looking out for this because this looks actually like it's creating a lot of code. So I believe it should be better than that. So let it publish it and then we'll see. Okay, how's the analytics going on? Almost like we have 67.5 hours watch time, right? Content. Okay, the website is ready, I hope. Oh, nice. Still, this looks pretty good, right? Okay, so if I suppose do this, get early access, how would. Thanks for signing up. But where do I get the email? You can now preview it on the right side. And you can view all the settings on the data tab to track. Okay, in the data tab. Okay, where is the data tab? Okay, here, right. This is the live data. Okay, publish website, test data, email signups. Yeah, I got that. Great. This is good. Review. Okay, I'll say, can you create a header, like a nav, create a nav bar and merge the logo in it. The nav bar can be white, right? That is fine. And also one more thing I want is also keep only the linked. I can endpoint that too. Okay, I'll give my S2 data systems page. Okay, so let me just go to this, view as member. So till here we can give it. Okay, I'll just copy this. Okay, so this is fine. And also change the email to I created one email. I remember I created that on Histinger for this domain. So let's see what what was the email? Let me go to emails. No, I didn't create. How's that possible? What should we do? What should we do? Create claim free email of data AI. Yeah, let's claim one. Get started. Okay. Let's keep the same one, contact at the rate. Yeah, okay, it's not of data dot AI. Okay, data AI. It's change the email to contact at the rate of data, sorry, of data AI.com, right? So this is the one. Of data AI, all rights reserved, right? So this looks fine. Okay, so I'll just create one email ID, contact. Okay, I'll just put my password, create mailbox. Yes, now we have that email ID as well. So this is pretty decent enough for us for now. We are sorted for today, right? And then I'll just publish this. Okay, so now our website is published. We had this page, so till the time we don't get the limit back for plot, so once I get the limit back, I'll like do some SEO on top of it as well. Okay, and then I'll again put the website. Okay, for now it's pretty good enough for us. Okay. This is fine, it has generated. Yeah, this is good now. Offdatai.com. This is good. Right. Then let's go like this. Good enough. Right. This looks good. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, let me publish. But how would it publish? Like, would it connect to a domain, or I just want to see? Remove this. Okay, fix this. Everything is fine only. I'm not sure why it's showing. Maybe it will remove after some time. Okay, it's published. Connect a custom domain. Yes, I want that. App.of data ai.com. Yes. Next. Config. Yes. Good. Now we are done. Got it. Great, guys. Great. This is great. Code is here. Data is here. Failed to load. Please refresh the page to try again. Let's refresh. Get data. It's live data. Nothing there. Test data. Users. Email signups. Live data. Why is it showing like nothing? Okay, let me open now. Okay, let's refresh this for now. Let's remove this part. Okay, let's go to this. Why is it not showing anything? Okay, maybe it will take some time. That's why. Okay, so let's just close this for now, or I can go back, right? First into dashboard. Close this. Close this, not close this. Okay, this is fine. showing anything for now. I'm not sure why. Maybe edit website. Let me try that. Maybe it will take some time for publishing it. That might be the case. But that's a very bad thing, right? So it should get published immediately. Anyhow, it's like a single page itself, right? So it's not like a pretty complex website that we have created. Okay. So now let's create a post for LinkedIn as well, right? So let's create up a post for that. So let's go with Chat GPT for this. Okay. Research through of dataai.com website and create a LinkedIn promotion post where I can introduce this tool to people, and whosoever is interested can reach out to me for access. Okay, first 10 customers get it for free. Okay, also try to write post so that it can become viral, calling all data guys, data engineers, architects, modelers. Okay, so let's see what kind of post it creates. Why there may be a typo of dataai.com? This, why it can't do it? Let me just open off dataai.com. It's able to do it. This is the website. Okay, this is the website. Okay, yeah, this is how I wanted it to be. Okay, copy. Okay, also generate it an image as well along with the post so that I can post along with. Okay, post like what should we call it? Also generate an image as well along with the post like a description. Okay, description. Okay, let it generate. Okay, let me just copy this for now. Let's start a post. What do I want to speak about? This is the one: attention data architect, data modelers, and analytics teams. The future of data is not more dashboards. It's not more data, and it's definitely not spending nights for content. The future is AI native data operations. That's why I'm excited to introduce Off Data AI, built for modern data teams to automate, orchestrate, and accelerate data workflows at scale. Okay. That helps you build smarter pipelines. No, I'm not building any pipelines. This is not correct. No, this post is not correct, guys. Let me just remove this and improve it. Okay, the post is not correct at all. I'll just regenerate that. So that's why you need to read what AI is generating, otherwise you will post anything, right? So yes, okay. what is it telling for off data AI? What is it showing? Build or operate modern data workflows. No, this is not correct. We are not bringing up data workflows, right? LLMs full.txt. Okay, I'll just pass this. This is LLMs full.txt file. You can use this to generate the post as well as the image. Okay, let me post it. So now it should be able to do it for us quickly. Hmm. After that, what we will do is we will try to search data modeler from LinkedIn, and then we'll keep on sending them messages, right? So in that way, we will actually promote the product as well. Okay, so let's check. I enabled Google Analytics as well. Okay, let's see whether we are getting any hits over there. Okay, I have all data open. Okay, so let's keep this open. Then go to Google Analytics. Let's see whether our analytics is enabled or not. Otherwise, we'll work on it. Okay, because I remember I had done that integration with Google Analytics as well. Okay, we'll see. We'll just check. Okay, so this is for how should I? This is for actually hello voice. Okay, this is completely hello voice. Okay, how should I switch it? I'm not sure. All accounts, S2 data systems, S2 data systems, favorites, recent, all, all accounts. How to switch the stream? I'm just checking that out. Open. Okay, the admin data streams. Okay, so this is the off data AI. Yeah, data collection is active, guys. We have the data collection, but how should I switch to this? I'm not sure how to move, how to use this data stream and see data for this. How should I? This is fine. This is fine. Go to home. How should I switch it? Uh, where is the way to switch that? Search. Ask advisor. Okay. How to switch to other stream data? Other stream data. Okay. I want to see. Uh, okay. Let it provide us the steps. Okay, I want to go for to view for data stream. You can use these two method like a comparison side by side view. Go to reports. Add a comparison. No, use a report filter. Okay. Uh, you don't switch between them like you might switch property. Instead, you filter your existing report. Okay. Go to reports. Okay, and open any report. Okay. Uh, and open example traffic requisition. Where is it? Hmm. Uh, performance, user behavior. Okay, let's choose this user behavior. Let's see. Okay, 152. Okay, got it. So this is for this one. Okay, at the top of the report, add comparison. Okay, after that, add comparison. After that, what should we do? In the build, we select data stream as the dimension. Okay, create new. Like, where is it? Where is it? Add the plus, add comparison. Okay, we have this in the build comparison. In the build comparison panel, select, where is it? Create new, select dimension, data stream, where is it? Is there any option? Data stream, no, there is no option. Uh, edit comparison, okay, is this the one? Mm, where is it? Okay, maybe add a filter. Okay, insights, here edit, customizes. Okay, the second method is add filter at the top of a detail of the report. Okay, there is the option to add a filter, guys. It's like pathetic. Google, you could have made it pretty simple, right? Where is the option to create a filter over here? Click add filter at the top of a detail report. Uh, where is it, guys? I'm not able to find it out. Uh, Key events by platform. Uh, Insights. Customize report. Maybe I might get something over here. Okay, add metric. Average new users, cards. Uh, Stream. Do we have anything by stream? No. Data source. Source. No, right? God, this is becoming difficult now. My God. It should have been pretty simple, right? You can just switch from the one to another. Don't know why Google has made this so much complex. You just have streams, right? You just switch to the stream and you get data for that. It's as simple as that. My God. pretty difficult. Okay, we'll see this later. Okay. Anyhow, I can see that things are coming. Okay. Generate image only. Okay, so let it generate image. My God. Okay, let's adding final touches. Hmm. Close this. Let's wait for this and we'll just publish it and we'll close the stream then, guys. Okay. I don't know why people don't show up on the stream. It's like one guy came in between and then went away. Not sure what's the problem within the stream. Maybe some timing or still we are not able to catch up with. Okay, so what is it? Download. Let's see. I will create a post, add image, upload downloads. Okay, what is it? Written that turn your business description into production ready data warehouse with AI, right? How did AI? Okay. Okay. My god, it's way too small. Downloads. Let me open this in image itself. Okay, what is it? AI data modeling. Okay. Clouds on it. I don't want to put any, reveal any of the like LLMs or anything that we are using. So I'll just delete this in this post. Okay. Remove any LLM names that have been put. Okay. Or any tools that we have used for creating of data AI, right? Talk only about features of data AI, right? So that is what we need. We don't want to talk about all this stuff. Okay, because people are more interested in our product, right? Okay, let me also check this whether this QR code that AI has generated, whether it works actually or not. No, I guess it's not working. I can't scan it actually. No, it's not working. It's a random, I guess. I believe so. Okay, adding final touches. Generally, what happens when you want to post something on LinkedIn and if you want to make it go viral, kind of a thing, right? You should add images with the add like a image or infographic for that, right? So that is what I have seen. Okay, from my observation, if you add infographic or any image to it, so LinkedIn tries to promote that much more as compared to a normal text kind of a post. Okay, so we'll see right now. Okay, creating one last week. Okay, let's wait for this final thing. Right now, okay, and this one looks good. This is like turn your everything you need, understand your business, correct. This is fine. What you will get. This is good. This is good. I want this one. This is like or two, like on spot. Image 2 is better, guys. Anyhow, image 2 is better. I love this. Okay, this image, download. Okay, upload from computer. This is great, great, great. Okay, opted AI. Next. Okay, now get me a LinkedIn post for this. LinkedIn post for this as well. Okay. I don't want this much big. I want it like pretty crisp. I want it pretty crisp and not long enough. Not long enough. It should be catchy and should be like a viral post. Okay. This song I love it. If you are into drum and bass and all that stuff, right? This is cone sounds basically. This AI native of data AI lets you turn plain AIDs. Okay, built for data modern. Okay, no, not like this. This is pretty small. These are way too small. Make it medium sized. Add hashtags as much as possible. Okay. This one's look good. Yeah, this is good. This is good. This is good. Yes. Now I'll just put it over here. So attention, data engineers, architects, and they build most teams spend weeks doing this manually, designing schemas, creating AIDs, writing warehouse DDL, defining scaffolds, validation, grains. Yes. For us, from a simple business, introducing of data AI, right? Business in plain English and of data AI generates production ready. Yeah. Works with Snowflake, BigQuery, Databricks. This is built for modern data teams. Move fast, more shipping, first and get if you want of data AI, DM me directly. We'll have to feedback from the community. Right. So let's put the website as well. Where is it? Of data AI in the bracket. We'll put the website not in here. We will put it over here. Okay. https of dataai.com. Okay, so this is our website. This looks amazing, 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 guys, amazing, amazing. Post. Okay. To know more about of data AI, data, how is it writing it? I'm just checking out data of data AI, of data AI. Visit or data AI features, right? Visit https of dataai.com. Okay, of dataai.com. Yes, this looks good. And this goes right now. Post. Yes. Today we have done quite a lot, guys. This is great. Okay, this is good enough for today, guys. And I would like to end my stream on a very good note today. Keep hustling, keep building, and keep vibe coding, right? So that's the future, guys. That's exactly the future where we are proceeding ahead. Okay, so guys, see you tomorrow. For sure, we'll tomorrow try to upload the platform as well. Okay, but before that, we'll make some changes to it. Okay, whatever we want to do it, and according to that, we'll just upload the platform as well. Okay, so peace out, guys. See you tomorrow, same time, 9:30 p.m. IST, and we'll meet again. Thank you. Bye bye.